Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a chicken noodle casserole. So before we start and dive into today's recipe, for those of you that are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And for all my returning viewers, thank you for your support. Your comments and likes mean the world to me. So grab your aprons and let's get started and let's get our ingredients together. For our chicken noodle casserole, we're going to need the following: some chicken breast, egg noodles, cream of chicken soup, some frozen peas and carrots, chicken broth, cheese, hot sauce, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and Cajun seasoning. All right, so we have got us a oven-safe pan, which we've got lined with aluminum foil. And if you've been around long enough, you know that I'm one for making easy cleanup. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get our chicken breast seasoned up with our Cajun seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle some on this. And we're going to coat both sides with our Cajun seasoning. So now we are going to put these into a 350-degree oven and let them cook till an internal of about 165. And as always, whenever working with raw meat, we need to make sure that we wash our hands before and after. And that means my oven's ready, so we're going to pop these in. Okay, so while our chicken is cooking into a large bowl, we are going to add in our chicken broth, our cream of chicken soup, our garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper, and our hot sauce. And we're going to give this a good mix so everything is thoroughly combined. Okay, so our chicken has finished cooking, and as you can see, we've got this all shredded up. So we're going to now add it to a mixture. Give this a good toss. All right, so to this we are going to add in our cheese. And now we are going to add in our noodles, which we cooked based on the directions from the package. Add these in just a little at a time. We want to make sure we get that completely coated over all the noodles. There we go. And I forgot our peas and carrots. So give me just 1 second. And now we're going to add in our frozen peas and carrots. As much as I try and prep, I tend to forget something every now and then. And that's okay. Nothing has to be perfect. All right, now that we got that all mixed up, let's set this over here to the side. And we're going to pull out our baking dish. And we're going to coat this with some spray oil. Sorry, cooking spray, spray oil, all about the same. Then we are going to dump this into our dish. We'll make sure to get everything out of the bowl. Spread this all out. And then we are going to top this with some breadcrumbs. This is roughly about a cup, cup and a half. Put as much or as little as you want. So now this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. All right, so this was in the oven for 45 minutes and then I let it rest for 5. And as you can see, everything is nice and toasted. So let's go ahead and give it some of this. Try not to make a mess. Boop. Oh my God, this smells so good. And there we go. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I wanted to thank everyone for watching. Also wanted to express my thanks for everyone of you who support this channel. And remember, be nice, be kind, because it could change someone's day. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.